Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix your Windows license only supports one display language problem or issues. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what we want to do is open up a web browser and then head on over to Google. Once we're here, we want to type in this 5A, a product behavior, and then hit enter. And then we'll be taken to Google search results. Click on the first result from the 11th of July 2023, 5 Appendix A product behavior MCLCID. And now, depending what language you want to put onto your Windows computer, so say for example you want to put on some French language, what we need to do is click on Control F on the web page and then do a search for French. And now this is all the different type of French language of different regions. So just choose which one you want to use on your computer or install. It doesn't have to be French, it could be Finnish, Filipino, just choose whatever language. And so for this example, if I want to do French but Canadian French, just simply copy the last 4 characters inside of that code. So do a Control C and now minimize out that web page. And now we need to go to our registry editor. So to do that, click on search where it says type here to search, type in regedit. Here it is here. Open up registry editor, click yes. From here we need to click onto where it says HKey local machine, click onto system, then we want to click on current control set and then click on control. Then once we're here, look for NLS, so scroll down to the bottom of the page, NLS, double click onto language. And now this is what your computer might say something different here in the data. We need to change default and install language. So double click on default and now Control V. So I'm going to change mine to French Canadian. Install language again, open it up, Control V, okay. And now we can exit out of there. All right, and from here, you'll need to do a restart on your computer. But before you do that, I'll just quickly show you where it's going to be, where you can install that language. All right, so after you restart your PC, we need to get into settings. So open up search, type in settings. Here it is here. And now once we're inside settings, on the left-hand side, we've got these different tabs. Click on the time and language, and then click on language and region. And then under language, after you install it or you've restarted your Windows computer, under English, you're going to have that new language there where you can install it. So in my case, when I restart my PC, it's going to say French Canadian install.